is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Metamaterials update. And look at this start to the freaking day here, up to a high of the day of $6.42. Love seeing that. Since been getting absolutely crushed and pushed back down by the shorts here. Possible ladder attack on this so far. Down to right now we're at $5.45. Let's see what that RSI was to start the day. I'm sure it was like 1,000. 82.35. Yeah, pretty high. Right now we are sitting at 35.29. So definitely in that oversold category. And MACDs to start the day looked phenomenal, and then now slightly bearish cross here. Lots to get to today. This thing is absolutely flying this week. If we scroll back to the 5-day, yeah, God, remember what it was like to be in the $4 price range. Those days are long gone, and so all nice couple of big steps up here. Almost had another huge one. I did panic close my $8 calls that I was selling, because I am now pretty confident that it will be higher than $8 by September 17th. So I did not want to be forced to sell all of my MMAT stock for $8. So I think this thing is going to go much higher than that. So close those out. Let's move on to Ortex here. So short interest is actually moving back up. All these key metrics here are moving back up, except for the cost to borrow. Let's see, short interest percentage of the free float is up 17.81% to 9.26%. Free float on loan up 17.77% up to 12.79%. Shares on loan up another 17.77% up to 29.59. Days to cover up a little bit at 6.48%, and utilization is back up over 95 at 96.49%. And if we go over here, days to cover is down to a half a day, but look what we have here: 0 shares available to short. Things are getting pretty wild here. I'm sure they used up a lot of those shares, driving the price back down into the 5s. We don't have a short borrow fee rate displaying right now. And if we go over to institutional ownership, 0 new institutional buys this week. One thing to get to on this, and this is a very important analysis here. I shared another chart analysis from Dramatic Shower 3028 a couple days ago, and he's back with another one. This guy posts a lot of great information on here, so I highly encourage you to check him out. All right, let's get into it. Metamaterials go brrr. Day 3 update. Momentum is a semi-truck. The TLDR of this is the moon has been confirmed. Predictions coming true. Come get your tendies. Also, I want to point out that the craned theory on the the short share cycle has been spot on so far. By the way, that I shared, I believe it was last Monday. So today we're going over the 1 day, 1 hour, and 5 minute chart. But first, since he keeps seeing so many questions about the fundamentals and such, he's going to share some juicy news. The stock was mentioned on CNBC as the squeeze with the bullets to get the job done yesterday. Oh boy, trending number 1 on StockTwits today. Options chain for calls and the money has doubled in the last 3 days. And let's actually confirm that here. Yeah, 5. Oh boy. Oh boy. They had to add $9 and $10 strike prices to this. Because it is going up so high. Yeah, right now, $5. So, oh God, the hedge funds they're going to have to buy a lot of shares here. $8 calls, 13,715 open interest, $7, 7,700, $6, which we were above to start the day at 12,000, $5. So a lot of calls in the money right now. Not too many puts in the money. Not too many puts in the money. All right, let's keep going here. So now we're going over the charts. This is the 1 day chart. Look at this RSI average here, 68.8. Here's the on balance volume. So here we have a continued confirmation of the technical analysis from the first post that I shared earlier this week from days 1 and 2. The day 1 RSI and ending price exactly match the previous run up to 22. On balance volume is off the freaking charts. Look at this. So we are now almost at the tippy top of the on balance volume from when we were at $22. This is nothing insanely crazy, but I wanted to show how the 1 hour RSI peaked in the 90s today and is the highest it's been since June 15th when the price was over 10. Price on this is wrong, Bobby. All right, so we can see this falling wedge pattern here. And so from the looks of it, the falling wedge ends with a freaking massive leg up in the RSI, and so we are here at the end of this falling wedge, so we should see another massive leg up. So it turns out I was spot on in this off-the-cuff analysis. You can see that each leg up we have a falling wedge on the RSI. Once the downtrend is broken, it is preceded with some boom boom candles. We have just broken the downtrend of the RSI. When the after hours buy-a-thon came to a close, you can see the strength all day long here, because even when the RSI was in a downtrend, the on-balance volume continued to trend up consistently. Putting this all together, his take is that the momentum behind the stock is just insane. Prediction here at the beginning of the week was that we would end up pretty close to $8. This would be a 100% price increase in a week, and he's standing behind this. It would be a little more precise and say the personal opinion is that we close near $7.41 tomorrow, which would be today. This, however, assumes that the markets are green tomorrow. If somehow we encounter the Great Recession 2 tomorrow, still don't think this goes below 530 to 540, which is the new support line, in which case we will have a tremendous buying opportunity for. So this is pretty crazy stuff here, guys. It looks like we are rebounding nicely on this. Good grief. Already at 49 million in volume. So we could see, it is entirely possible that we get up over $7 today, because we're already at 49 million in volume, and the market's been open for just over an hour right now, and so $7 is not out of the realm of possibility, even with that huge buy up to $6.42 to start the day. Anyways, guys, that is just about going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.